Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change lock screen wallpaper in laptop Lenovo, Dell, HP. To begin, right-click on the desktop and click Personalize. Now you must go to the lock screen section. Here in the line, Personalize your lock screen, select the picture option. Finally, you can choose the image that will be on your laptop's lock screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.